In a frozen valley, a wild horse lies injured, its leg bleeding, its body trembling from the cold. Trapped beneath fallen debris, it struggles to move as a snowstorm builds around it. Alone and exhausted, its strength begins to fade. Just as all hope seems lost, a rescue team arrives. 4 specialists in bright orange and blue uniforms. The medic checks the horse's injuries while the animal expert prepares emergency care. The climber secures the unstable terrain. Together, they treat the wounds, warm the horse, and carefully free it using ropes and gear. As they work, an Arctic fox appears, warning them of shifting danger. The team quickly adjusts and safely moves the horse onto a sled. They transport it to a shelter, where it receives days of care and begins to recover. Eventually, the horse stands tall again, healed and strong. The team releases it back into the wild. It runs freely into the snowy landscape while the team watches with pride. The mission is over. The horse is safe. Hope has returned. Ask Chat GPT